The EXHL LE1 XLV50 from Larson Electronics is an explosion-proof LED light fixture that operates on 120 to 277 volt AC that is stepped down to 12 volts DC or 24 volts DC via an inline transformer. This light produces 1,320 lumens while drawing only 12 watts. This high-intensity LED light is designed for illumination within hazardous areas and potentially explosive work environments. This explosion-proof LED light fixture operates on voltages ranging from 120 to 277 volts AC. The transformer is encapsulated to make it weatherproof, but it is not explosion-proof and must remain located outside of the hazardous area. With 50 feet of 16.3 SOOW cable between the light and the encapsulated transformer, there is plenty of room to move around the hazardous work area while keeping the transformer in a safe location. The EXHL LE1 XLV50 is available in two lighting configuration options: spot or flood. The following options are available: here are the class divisions and ratings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.